Imagine this. You wake up in the morning and decide, today I will speak English. You watch one English video, then another. You learn 10 new words. You even revise grammar. And the night you realize you didn't speak even one complete sentence. Sounds similar? If yes, then today's video is for you. Because today I'm not going to tell you study English for 3 hours. Today I'm going to give you a 30 minutes routine that you can actually follow every single day. Let me tell you a small story. There was a girl who really wanted to speak English. She understood English when other people speak. She could read English. She knew basic grammar. But whenever someone asked her, "Can you introduce yourself in English?" she suddenly became nervous. Her mind was full of words, but her mouth was silent. She thought, maybe my grammar is not good enough. So she started buying books. She watched grammar lessons. She memorized difficult words, difficult vocabulary, but still, her speaking didn't improve. Her speaking didn't improve. Then one day, she changed just one thing. What? If you want to know that, then first comment me. I want to know that. And tell me about you. You are beginner, intermediate level, or pro level, and advanced levels. And right now, what are you doing? What you want to me? Well, why you are learning English? Tell me in the comment. Then one day, she changed just one thing. Instead of studying English for hours, she started speaking for 30 minutes every day. And that's where her real progress began. Now you might be thinking, but what should I do for 30 minutes? Let me show you. Step 1. 5 minutes thinking. Think in English. First 5 minutes, think in English. No book, no grammar, just English. Look around you and describe your surrounding. Let me give you some examples. I am sitting in my room. I am sitting in my room. There is a window in front of me. There is a window in front of me. My phone is on the table. My phone is on the table. I'm wearing a red dress. I am wearing a red dress. I am making this video for you guys. I am making this video. Look, very simple. But there's the trick. Don't translate everything from Hindi. Instead of thinking, मुझे पानी पीना है, इसका इंग्लिश क्या होगा? Try to directly think, I want to drink water. This is how you slowly train your brain to think in English. That's it. Step 2. 10 minutes listen plus shadow. Now let's move to the next 10 minutes. This is my favorite part. Yes. Choose a short English video. Listen to one sentence. Pause and repeat. Let me give you some examples. I want to improve my English. Pause. Now you say it. I want to improve my English. Again, I want to improve my English. Don't just repeat the words. Copy the rhythm, pronunciations, and emotion. Imagine you are the speaker. This is called shadowing practice. And remember, you don't need to understand every single word before you start speaking. Start with what you understand. Progress comes through repetition. Step 3. 10 minutes speak without stopping. Now comes the most important 10 minutes. You have to speak. And here's your rule. Don't stop because you made a mistake. Take any simple topic. For example, my morning routine. Start like this. Today I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. Then I had breakfast. After that I started my work. In the afternoon, I study English. In the evening, I practice speaking. I know I make mistakes while speaking English. But I'm not afraid of mistakes. I know that every mistake is helping me improve. I know that every mistake is helping me improve. And if you don't know a word, don't stop. Use another word. Explain it in a different way. That's what real communications is about. Now I am giving you a little challenge. Now I want you to do something. Take your phone, open the camera and record yourself speaking English for 1 minute. Don't upload it. Don't send it to anyone. Just record it. Tomorrow record another one. After 7 days, watch your first video and your 7th video. You may be surprised because sometimes we don't notice our improvement while we are improving. Step 4. 5 minutes review. Now you have 5 minutes left. Take a notebook, write down 3 new words and 3 sentences and 1 mistake you made today. Let me give you some examples. New word, confidence, sentence. I want to become confident English speaker. And my mistakes today was maybe I forget the past tense. Perfect. Now you know what to improve tomorrow. So let's recap. Your daily 30 minutes routine is 5 minutes think in English, 5 minutes think in English. Second, 10 minutes listen and repeat. You know that? 10 minutes. Listen and repeat. First listen, second repeat. After that 10 minutes, you speak. 10 minutes speaking practice. Okay? 10 minutes speak. And fourth is 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes revise. Review. 5 minutes. Everything you review. Okay? That's it. You don't need a perfect environment. You don't need an English speaking friend. You don't need to know thousands of words. You definitely don't need to wait until grammar is perfect. Because here's something I want you to remember. You don't become fluent and then start speaking. You start speaking and that's how you become fluent. So, tonight, don't just watch this video and say, yes, this is good routine. Actually, do it. Set a timer for 30 minutes and start. If you are ready to accept today's challenge, comment. I am ready for 30 minutes. And if you are struggling with English speaking, tell me your problem in the comment. Maybe your comment will become the topic of my next video. This is day 30. I will see you tomorrow in day 14. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, and don't be afraid of making mistakes. Because every sentence you speak today is taking you one step closer to the confidence speaker you want to become. Okay? And one more thing I'm telling you. Before some days, my recharge was over. So I'm unable to record any video and unable to upload any video. So sorry for that. Forget me. And if you want to really speak English, then subscribe my channels for learning English and practice of English. And if you have any questions, then tell me what should I start now, which topic I choose. Tell me you in the comment. Bye bye. And this time I'm looking my face. I'm looking gorgeous and beautiful and pretty. But somebody's told me you are black. Yes, I know I'm black. But when I watch myself in mirror and camera, I look my face so beautiful and pretty. I don't feel I'm black girl. Look my eyes, big eyes. When I Andy and I saw my eyes, everybody shocked. Everybody understands. I'm trying to refuse that. I'm not a smile fully. I'm just a smile. That's the kill. Nobody tells me I'm not looking good. Tell me. I know my hair is frizzy. My face is pretty.